We've done everything we can in the design of the Netway filler to reduce downtime for changeover, either between different bottle styles, different bottle volumes, or different product or different batches. There are two components to a typical changeover, product changeover, and that would be the product in-feed gating system and bottle capture at the filling points, and then the changeover for all your wetted parts. So the bottle gating system, we use a series of gates that are clamp mounted to the conveyor and that are easy to change over, basically adjusting to bottle width and direction of travel, or bottle length. That changeover with a good trained operator can typically take less than 10 minutes. You basically cycle bottles in and set your gates, and then we create gaps with our gating system to the fill stations. So at each fill station, set your bottle stops so that your neck is centered underneath the fill nozzles. It is captured into the neck locators correctly. The good thing about the Netway fillers is the most typical container we run is an F-style jug, just because that's seen across the chemical industry, very common. And you can get your containers sourced correctly so that the neck opening is the same diameter and in the same location relative to the leading edge of the bottle. And so your changeover is very minimal in feeding those varieties of bottles because there's just minimal adjustment necessary to the clamps. And then as far as wetted parts, the quickest way to do that is to just flush, or if you are concerned with any sort of product cross-contamination, all of our wetted parts are designed as change parts and can be removed from the machine toollessly and wholesale changed from the inlet manifold all the way to the nozzle tip by a single operator, again in a period of 5 to 10 minutes, assuming that your set of change parts is ready at hand. As far as changeover between products, on the non-mechanical side, all controls during our fill cycle are stored in a recipe-based program at the HMI. So if you're running a new product, there'll be a little bit of setup time, determining what pump speeds you want to run, what your target weights are, what your scale set points are set at, pump speeds, things like that. But then all of that is stored relative to that product in the program and can be recalled during the next changeover with minor adjustments necessary, and you'd be off and running. Typical changeover we see can take, between 10 and 20 minutes, and that's full product, liquid, and setup changeover for an operator.